Alright, welcome to part 2. So, I made a few changes, and one of them is that I still can't decide whether to make the search functionality at the top or at the bottom, but I kind of have an idea where as soon as you load in, depending on the time of day, it says either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Here's the daily puzzle for you. Here's the title, image, and then afterwards search for yourself or your favorite chess players. You search whatever, and then that comes up. Let me see. Yeah, so I don't know. We're gonna make design changes today. So one of them is this, but still I can't decide whether to put this at the top or the bottom. And also I think for the background I want it to be like a chessboard, probably like a brown chessboard, make it brown themed. That's what I'm thinking. Also for the ratings, I want to adjust them. And yeah, I think we're just gonna do styling today, basically. Do some styling, maybe add some containers, just lay out everything perfectly. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, what should we do today? I think rapid, or still at split. Also I think Hikaru has bullet, actually. He has bullet, he has daily, well we don't really want daily, chess bullets, so that's also something that we need to put out. So you can do this, you can put in bullet with one T, and then so if you search for Hikaru, there you go, gives us bullet, but I don't do bullet, it's gonna give that error. Alright, I'm gonna have to adjust that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that. Alright, like I said, today we're doing styling. So how should we do this? We need to remove the margin though, that's the first thing. So I'm going to do margin 0, padding 0, box size in border box. Looks really ugly. And then we need to adjust the divs. Thinking about putting all this into a container just for the sake of flexbox. We'll think about it. This though, we can put it as an ID of search, I guess. Alright, display data. I think I'm gonna put greetings the same way. Display daily puzzle, I want that in the center. Display daily puzzle. So display daily puzzle, and then display flex. See how that works. Nice. I want the flex direction to be column. Nice. And then I want to align items center, just like that. And sorry if you hear noise outside. What I want for this container as well is margin top, probably like 10 pixels. Margin bottom the same, probably more than that. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Like I said, for the body I want like a brown chessboard. So let me see. Brown chessboard. Can try this. So do I put like an images folder or just keep it as is? Alright, just to make it clean. Alright, do images. Put this in here. And then it's WebP. Can we do that though? I know I tried it before though. And then body, or is it HTML? I think it's HTML. And then background image. I forgot how I did this. Alright, I need to Google. Oh yeah, URL. Right. So URL. Actually, that's one thing we could have done, but and then we want to do images dot. Alright. Not bad, I guess. I want something brown theme though. I think for the H1 I want brown theme. So for this H1, which is greeting, I want to do one color brown, something that's kind of brown looking, maybe a gradient. And I feel like this CSS stuff, like it's going to take a long time. Yeah, something like that. It's not too bad. I think something else. Look, I'm not the best with styling, okay? I'm not the best with it. And then actually, yeah, now that we have the background and whatnot, it looks really nice. And I think for this, where we have display daily puzzle, I think background color, I think on the same as this. Looks fine. Maybe make it darker. a little darker. Again, we can always change later on, and if we do, then I'll give you an update on that. So click on, oh yeah, I realized this last recording, this F should be at N, where I put it. There you go. Perfect. And then search for yourself for your favorite chess players. This would be, what if it's this? Display data. Display data is actually, I think we need to put all this into a div search. Hopefully it doesn't mess up anything though. That looks alright. And then search. Is there anything that, the only thing that needs to align is this, the input. That's why I put it in separate div. Alright. I need to create a whole div for that. So I can create a div for this, and then we can call this search area. Right. So that way we can flex box it. Alright. Search area. Display. Flex. And then flex direction column. Change. Nope. Not at all. Let's go. So align items center. Perfect. It's not something is up with this. Looks so weird. Without the URL, that's why. We can fix that, or inside it we could do like text align center. So display data. I think that's the name of it. Display data. Text align center. Yeah, looks way better. Yeah, looks better. For the rapid right here, I want to change that. I want to put it in like categories, like ratings, and then rapid, rating, win-loss record, something like that. Alright, and then for that now, where we have search area, we can then add a background color. Make it gray for now. Right now it looks ugly, very ugly. So I'm going to have to like do some stuff. Where we have search. I'm going to display in a block. Flex. So that way this comes together. Afterwards for the H1, I want that to be center. I want that to be centered really. I didn't want it to be centered originally, but it just looks weird when it's not centered. All this too, this should be centered. Let me see this H1, this should be an idea of search title. Nice. Search title is the first thing. So search title, text align center. Great. This area I want like a margin probably, or like a minimum height. So I think there's a thing called min height. Oops. Min height. Let's do 300 pixels. Yeah. And then also I want to change the font family, or just like a simple sans serif typeface really. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks really nice. The button needs to be cursor pointer. Nice. Need some padding, need some this, that, whatever. And then we need to adjust the rapid and the blitz, and then yeah, some other stuff. This is going to take I think I might just pause the recording and do this off camera, because this is going to take a very long time. It's going to take a very long time, so yeah, I'm thinking about just doing that, honestly. Think about design, because I'm not the best with design. That's just a fact. I think that's all. I'll just pause the recording and then. Alright, I changed my mind about styling. Now I did make some small changes like this, and then I put this and this into their own separate divs. Show you guys. Yeah, puzzle container, search area. But I think what I want to do now is, depending on the time of day, I want this to say good morning, afternoon, or evening. So let's do that real quick. So greeting. I don't know, styling isn't my thing, so I think I'd rather just finish the JavaScript and then afterwards like do the styling and give an update. I think that's better. Let's do greeting equal to document dot get document by ID greeting. And then what I want to do now is for greeting, I want it to be, I'm going to do a switch case, I think. So we can just switch, or no, we can do greeting dot inner. I think inner text can work this time. So if we come here, it's gonna give us that. I think we can do dot get hours. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Can change the hours. I need to look on wiki, but we can do a switch and we can basically say greeting. I think that's how it works. And then case, let's say case, can we do like less than, wait, no, I don't think that's how it. Alright, again, search. Like as a programmer you have to do this all the time, just Google. I think it's better for you to use statements. So if greeting dot inner text is greater than, what time do people wake up? Alright, let's put 5. Greater than or equal to 5. Then we just do greeting dot inner text. So good evening. Alright, let's test it out. So I don't know how you would adjust the date. Alright, let's do this. Year, month, day. Year, month, day. Today's on the 10th. Hours, that's the 12th. That's strange, it doesn't do anything. Huh? Doesn't do anything, that's strange. I think because of this. Oh, there you go, that works. Good evening. 12. Good morning. It doesn't say afternoon. If you do 19, it doesn't say that. But if you do like 1, it says good evening. I think because the way it's set is that if it's greater than or equal to 5, that means it'll just automatically say good morning. Because if it's 12, then it'll automatically be, you know, on a switch over then. Let's try switch.
A few moments later.
See if that works. No, doesn't work. Unless, I have a better idea. Unless we do this. There we go. Now it works. Now it works. Now it works. Yay! We fixed it. So of 12. What for the 13? Will it still work? Nope. So that's the issue. It's like we're gonna have to use its if statement. Well, this if statement, we've been quiet for 34 minutes. Jesus. And I'm thinking about streaming because with streaming, like I don't need to like go back and edit and whatnot. Time of day is that is greater than equal to 0 and less than or equal to 5. Less than 5. No, it should be good if, yeah, good evening. Else if good night. So there we go. This does good afternoon. If it's 13, it says good afternoon. If it's midnight, it says good evening. If you do that, it says that. If it's 6 a.m., it says good morning. And if you do like 11 p.m., it says good night. Nice. So that means if it's 20, good evening. 23, good evening. Good. 0. So there we go. It's fixed. I'm so happy. There we go. I am so happy. So it should say good morning now. Alright, great. Whew. Beautiful. So I think that's really it. And then also bullet. I want to display bullets because there's just. So if we search for Hikaru, bullet gets its rating, but if you search Nido, gives an error. So I need like, what's the error though? Uncaught type error. We need to do an if statement where if it's not available, don't run it.
A few moments later.
We need to ask ChatGPT. Alright, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Hold on. So it can do for me. Yeah, that's a smart way to do it. Alright, I want to use ChatGPT's way of doing it then. So I'm just gonna copy all of this. Paste. Let's see if this works. Shout out to ChatGPT, man. And it does work. Let's go. Alright, that's fixed. Alright, so simple. Alright, so it's over 100 lines of code now. Crazy. Actually, no, it's not. It's just this. Now all we need to do is the styling. That's a whole nother story. I'm not good with styling. I'm gonna style everything and then come back to you guys because this is going to take forever. So alright, update. So I did a little bit of styling. I did some padding right here. Then I also did this. So you click on it, it extends, retracts, And then also I did, well, I haven't installed these yet, but I did install this. And then if I do like Gotham Chess, as you can see, if it has a title, it'll show it right here. That's really cool. And then Bullet looks like that. Yeah, that's really it. Oh yeah, if you hover over this, it turns white. So yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to post this on GitHub, and if you guys have any styling suggestions, then you guys can contribute to it, because I'm not the best at styling. So if you guys are good at CSS, then I would really appreciate you styling this for me. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, yeah, that's basically it. This project was really fun. I'm definitely going to do more API related projects. So yeah, you just let me know what APIs you want me to mess around with. Yeah, that's it for this project. So yeah, share this, make chess.com see it. I love if they see this. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put this on GitHub, and yeah, next up I'm gonna learn Git. I haven't learned that yet for some reason, so I'm gonna learn Git, try live stream, don't forget to sub. That's it, so peace out.